Hi, in this video, I am going to convert string of array into the array list using factory method. Basically, we know how we can convert a string of array in a list using array.aslist or we can pass in a constructor. So we here convert in different way using factory method list and list of. Using list of, we can pass a number of elements str array. Now I add one SOP here and list is list and run this program for verify it is successfully convert in a list or not. So it is successfully converted. So this way we can also convert string of array in a list. So using factory method.